Hey, this is Noah from Health and Balance. Today I'm going to be showing you a stretch that you can do on your own at home. This is a glute stretch. It's called the figure 4 stretch. What you want to do is lay on your back and cross one leg, the ankle, over the other. And then you reach through underneath your knee, grab it, and lay back. If you don't feel a stretch yet, then you can pull your knee a little bit higher, but for most people that's not needed. The figure 4 stretch is important because it stretches the piriformis muscle. The piriformis muscle, when it gets really chronic, you can develop into Piriformis Syndrome. And what will that do? It'll cause sciatica to run down your leg. So if you're ever driving for a long period of time on the plane and you feel a little this going down your leg, it's very possible the piriformis is clamping down on the sciatic nerve because the piriformis lies right on top of it. And when it gets tight, it clamps down and you're not getting the nerve through anymore. Anyways, that's the stretch for the day. Thank you.